Everyone loves showing the results. The subscribers, the views, the money, but almost nobody shows the build. So I'm starting from scratch and growing this channel in public using AI. I bring the ideas and the finance experience. Claude writes the scripts, HeyGen creates the videos, and other AI tools handle the thumbnails, the clips, the automations, and the tracking. And as I build, I'll show you the exact systems I'm using to make money, save time, and grow smarter income streams. Follow along, copy what works, and let's build together. Here's the thing. Every Make Money Online channel you've ever watched showed you the highlight reel, the screenshot of the big month. But here's how I did it, told to you after they'd already done it. You've shown the finish line and sold it as the map. This is the opposite precise. This is day one, 0 subscribers, 0 views, no audience to lean on, just a finance background, a stack of AI tools, and a system I'm going to build right in front of you. The wins, the dead ends, all of it. Welcome to the Money Lab. Quick context because it matters. I come from finance, which means 2 things. 1, I'm comfortable with numbers, with margins, with what actually turns into money versus what just looks busy. 2, like most of you watching, I genuinely love making money, especially the kind that keeps working after I've stopped. So here's the deal between us. I do the hard part in public, building the systems, testing the tools, tracking the real numbers. You get to watch it happen live, copy the parts that work, and skip the mistakes so you don't have to make them yourself. No course, no secret, just the actual build. Let me be precise about what this experiment is. I'm growing a money-making channel using 3 things working together: AI, automation, and finance. I provide the ideas, the finance knowledge, the real examples, and the direction. That's the part that can't be faked. Then, AI does the heavy lifting. Claude turns my ideas into scripts, hooks, titles, and descriptions. HeyGen turns those scripts into actual videos with an AI presenter. And a handful of other tools handle the thumbnails, the short clips, the posting, and the tracking. The goal was never one viral video. It's a repeatable machine where I feed in an idea and a finished high-quality video comes out the other end. Then we do it again and again, getting sharper every cycle. And the best proof is the video you're watching right now. This was made with the exact system I'm about to show you. So let me walk you through it step by step so you can build the same thing. Step 1, the idea. This part is me, not the AI. My finance brain picks a topic with 2 boxes ticked, people are actively searching for it, and it's tied to making or saving money. Because AI is brilliant, but point it at the wrong topic, and all you get is a polished video that nobody wants. The idea is the edge that stays human. Step 2, I hand that idea to Claude. And here's where most people go wrong. They type, write me a video about making money, and get generic nonsense back. I treat Claude like a sharp writer who needs a proper brief. I give it my angle, my real finance examples, the tone I want, confident, British, no fluff, and the exact structure, a strong hook, the substance, an honest bit, and a clear call to action. I tell it who it's for and exactly what the viewer should feel. So instead of write a video, it's here's my take, here's my audience, here's the structure, now write it like me. Out the other side comes a full script, a punchy title, a description, and a list of hooks to test. Then I edit it. I always edit it, because my judgment is the quality control, and that's the part you can't outsource. But the blank page problem, gone. Minutes, not hours. Step 3, that script becomes a video. This is where the AI presenter comes in. I use HeyGen. I set up an avatar and a voice once. That's a one-time job. And from then on, I just paste the script in and tell it the style. Fast cuts, captions on, finance flavored B-roll, keep it punchy. It builds the whole thing, the presenter, the cutaways, the on-screen text, and renders it out in one pass. That is the real unlock. Truly. I'm not filming, lighting, or editing for hours. The system presents for me in the same style every single time. High quality, repeatable, and it scales, which is exactly what you want when the goal is income, not a hobby. Step 4, everything around the video. A thumbnail that actually earns the click. AI helps me design it. The long video gets sliced into shorts to pull new people in at the top. Posts for X and LinkedIn, written from the same script. And then the boring, beautiful part, automation and tracking. Tools that schedule the posts, and dashboards that tell me what genuinely worked, so the next video starts smarter than the last. None of this relies on me remembering to do it. The system remembers. Step 5, and this is the entire point, it's a loop. Idea in, video out, Data back, improve, repeat. That's how a channel actually goes from nothing to something. Not one lucky hit, but a machine that gets a little bit better every cycle. Now the money. Let me be straight with you, because I won't insult you with fantasy numbers. Right now, this channel has made nothing. Zero. That's the honest starting line, and that's exactly the point. You're going to watch how a channel really earns. First the ad revenue as the views build, then the bigger levers, digital products, services and sponsorships stacked on top. And when the first real dollar lands, you'll see it the same day I do. So here's what you're actually going to get on this channel. The AI tools and prompts I use, with the exact setups, not vague theory. The finance side, how this turns into income streams, what the numbers really look like, and which ones are worth your time. And the automation, how to wire it all together, so it runs with less and less of you in it. Make money, save time, build smart income. That's the whole brief, and here's why you should stick around. Most people find channels like this one years too late, after the systems are quietly hidden behind a paywall. You're here at the start, you'll see every tool, every template, and every number, the ones that work and the ones that flop. This is episode 1 of a public money experiment. I know exactly where this is going, and I'd rather you came with me than watch from the sidelines. Subscribe and let's build the machine together. I'll see you in episode 2, where we turn this system into the first real numbers.